So, yes, everyone, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you see me?
No.
Okay.
Yes. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, nice. So, Lazel, Rafan, and Shravan, please turn on your video. I'll be taking classes for you on Friday also, okay? Sometimes Saturday also.
Oh, wait, ma'am. You said yesterday you're taking class today. I just remembered.
Yeah. Okay, look at the children. So, Shravan Raj and Lazel, you there?
Should we take the chapter in textbook?
Yeah. Actually, not enough now to take. We'll discuss and then we take, okay? Shravandraj and Lazel, you there? So before starting it,
Yes,
it's a
yes, ma'am.
thought.
Please wait.
Be a kind human always. Be kind to
Yes, ma'am.
everybody, and it might whether it might be elders, it might be youngers. Okay, always kind to people. Be a kind human always. Um, can you spot three differences here?
Um, the circle. Both in the picture, the circle is different.
Yeah,
Square
one is circle
in
and one
the
is
one, but in the second one it's a square, and
yeah,
then the circle on the roof, but in the second one it's an oval. An oval.
yes,
And the rectangle is much in the second one. Mm.
it's a slim one, right?
Yes.
Okay, now find three differences here.
There is no door in the second one, and there is no window as well.
Hmm.
The
Yes,
door is not
Rafan, but
there.
low sound here.
The second one, the door is not there.
Yeah, the door is not there.
Mm,
And
in both.
Now can you hear me?
Um,
yes, yes, we can.
Okay.
there was stairs. There's no stairs in the first one. The top one, there's stairs, and the second one doesn't have stairs.
Yes, that's it. Okay,
Similar.
look at this. What does similar shapes means? Similar shapes. What does it means?
In same shape.
These are the same shapes, okay? Same shapes, but the size might be different, but it is similar. Okay? Look,
These are
this both are circles. One is small and the one is what big one. Here also the
yeah.
same. Both are of same. Look at this. This is just the double of this. Height is 2 meter here, height is 1 meter here, and this width is 1.5 here, it is 3. Okay, so it's just the double of that dog, small one.
Yeah.
Now, congruent shape means what? Similar means it is of same look, but the size
Same,
can be
but the
different.
size is different.
What about congruent? Congruent means everything is same. If we keep one on the other, it will be of the same. No any difference will be there. Okay. Look at this biscuits. If we keep the biscuits on the other biscuits, it will be same. No difference will be there. Right. So same size plus same shade, perfectly overlapping figures gives congruence. Okay. Same size and same shape. In the similar one, it can be of same shape, but in congruent cases, it is of same size and same shape and perfectly overlapping figures. It can be of a perfect overlapping figures and it is congruent. Similar vs congruent shape. Look at this. These both are congruent. These both are similar. Okay. Look at this. This both are same. It is of same size and same shape. But the pose is only different. If we keep one on the other, it will be of same. But congruent means what? Yeah. Congruent means what? One size is small, and if it is big also, it can be similar. Okay. Similarity and congruent. Similar means stretched up proportionally, same shape, different size. If it is stretched in a proportional manner. Okay, that means it is just double, just the triple of the other. In the same proportion, it is stretched. Congruent means what? It is overlapping. It's exactly the same size and same shape. Got it, children? Identify which of the figures are congruent to X. Identify which of the figures are congruent to X. Let's say and sing.
X, C,
X,
C,
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 F,
D.
D is safe.
Is B same?
No,
No, right? Only X
yeah,
is congruent to C. Okay?
yeah,
But it
and
can
D,
be
right?
similar to A. To D, it is not congruent. It is similar to D.
Yeah, okay.
But it is
X,
congruent to C. Similar
congruent,
to D and A. Similar to D and A, but it is congruent to
congruent,
C.
C, okay.
Triangles which are congruent by their sides. Look at this. 3 centimeter. Both are 3 centimeter. Both are 5 centimeter. And here also 6.4 centimeter. So both the size and shape are same. So it is congruent to each other. Triangles which are congruent by their angles. It can also be congruent by their angles. If all the angles are same, then the what? Just 1 second. Okay, I'm getting an urgent call. Okay.
Okay,
Shravan,
that
ready?
happens.
Shravan,
Yeah.
why? I cannot see you, dear. Where are you, Shravan? What are you doing there?
Uh,
Are you are you lying there?
What, ma'am?
Where are you? I cannot see you.
I'm s- I'm sitting here.
What?
I'm sitting here.
Just sit straight.
Yes, ma'am.
and can you see me?
No, Laisel, I cannot see you also. Yeah, I can see you now. Shravan, just sit straight. Let me see you. I can see your
Oh, his
brother
camera.
there.
His camera.
His camera
Like
is
because
on.
of his background or camera. I
What
think
is
he's
this,
joining from
Shravan?
phone.
What are you doing there?
Think
I
he's
can see you there. Since you are not
What,
sitting
what was
straight, I
it?
can.
just
Nothing,
your
ma'am.
camera off on. I mean,
Your mother is there with you.
Soundraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit straight. Sit straight. Adjust your cam. I can let me see you properly. A little more adjust. Adjust it a little more. Come on. Not like this. I just want to see like Heza, Amra and Lazel.
Like me, like this. Like
Yeah.
see here. Okay.
Yes. Everyone, look at this. So a triangle can be congruent. No, Shravan, this is not okay. Adjust a little more. Let me see you more.
We
Just
can
turn
see
down your
him.
cam, dear.
Ma'am, this much I can do, ma'am. This much will be
I can see
fine.
only your eyes, Shravan.
Just like this.
I can't. This is my Chromebook.
What?
Ma'am, I can't. This is Chromebook. I can't fold. I can only back.
Anyway, you have to adjust. You could not sit like this in the class. But I saw
Someone,
you
are you
normally.
joining in laptop or mobile?
or computer.
He's joining in Chromebook. Anyways, I saw you properly when I started the class and how it happened like this. Just adjust it. You have to sit properly. Look at this, children. An angle can be congruent, a triangle can be congruent to each other by the sides. Okay, if if every sides are same and say of same shape and same size, it can be congruent. Look, this both are triangles, and it can be congruent with if three sides are equal. Okay, so that rules we called as SSS congruent rule. That means three sides are equal. Okay, if three sides are equal in a triangle, then it is called a congruent triangle. So that is what we called as SSS congruent rule.
So, ma'am, we need to just take the ruler and measure it. If that is correct,
No,
the
no,
two,
no. If you have given a picture like this, then you can do what?
yeah,
You can the sides measures will be given already. Okay, you don't want to take the scale and measure and all. Measures will be
okay, okay.
already given. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you just want to
Okay.
look at the measurement. If three sides are equal, you can say it is congruent.
Okay,
And
is
look at
that
this
simple?
angles. If
That
three
is
angles
actually
are equal
simple.
in a triangle, then also it can be
Ma'am,
congruent.
so two triangles will be given or any shapes, and if their sides are all equal, the two
Then it
are
will be
similar
congruent.
or
And it
same,
is called as
it's a congruent.
SSS congruent rule. Okay. For a triangle, if three sides are equal, then we can say it as a congruent triangles. Okay. In the same way, if three angles are equal also, we can say it is a congruent triangle. Look at this, how congruent sides and angles are depicted. Look, this is, we say, three sides are equal. Look at this. BC and EF is equal here. They both put
Okay.
one line. You see, both are having one line. In the same way, BA and ED are equal. Look at this. Both are having two lines. This is how it is depicted. Okay, in the pictures, it will be shown like that way. Sometimes you will get the measurement, sometimes it will be putting in such a way. So here it is three lines. This is the third angle, third side which is equal. DF and AC are equal. And in the same way, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and angle A is equal to angle D.
A is in D.
Got it? So it is given, it will
Yeah.
be given in such a way, so you have to understand from this. Understood? Which of these triangles are congruent to triangle A?
D,
I didn't get it.
Yeah.
D.
D.
What about G?
D. What about?
That is
C
similar.
is a
That
bit,
is similar.
it's similar, but it's not the same. This is the
See,
size is different.
if we just
It's not
turn
a
it and
contrast.
put, it will be okay, no? No, right?
No, the size is
Yeah.
different. No, this is the size is
No, 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 no.
E?
But I think E will be equal. D and E will be
E if
equal.
yeah, I think
G also will be equal,
G
dears. G also will be
G
equal. Look at this. I'll just show you. If we take this triangle and keep it like this, that means A, angle A is equal to this angle, this one. Okay? And this angle is
Okay.
equal to this angle. And this angle is equal to this angle. So A, G, and E.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yes.
we can put it upside of that one also. Then
What, dear?
we can put that one in the upside. Then we can check
Yeah,
the
yeah.
equal size.
Okay, 1 second.
Ma'am, if this kind of question,
Yes, I'm sorry. I got a call. Okay. Yes. So,
Okay.
D, G, and E are the triangles, right?
Yeah.
Okay
Yeah.
then. So now let's move to next question. Question 2. Which of the shapes are congruent to
Uh,
shape A?
G,
G.
G.
G. Yeah, G
I
is
think
congruent.
G and
G.
D would also be the D because if we just
What?
like turn it around, it will be like the match, right?
But I don't
No,
think
no, no. Ma'am, D is similar, I
Ma'am, I
think.
can't hear you.
I'm not similar. We are
Oh my
asking
God,
about
yes, sir.
congruent.
D is
Congruent means
Ma'am, I
everything
can't
similar,
will
hear
but
be.
it's
you.
not congruent.
Yeah, it is similar, but it's not. Only G is okay, right?
G is okay. G is
Yeah.
okay. What
Yeah.
about C? What about C?
No,
C
C is also
Shravana.
not
D
okay.
is
C is
Ma'am,
very bigger
different
than
ma'am,
size.
this.
I can't hear
Yeah.
you.
okay.
Yes, Ravan, I can hear you. Rectangle
Uh,
ABCD is congruent to
Ma'am,
rectangle
he said that he
EFGH.
cannot hear you.
Look, how
Shrav,
can we prove this both are congruent?
Yeah.
Rectangle ABCD is
Ma'am,
congruent
there
to
is no
rectangle
measurement of the
EFGH.
other one.
So
Yeah, we can
EF
say that
will
it
be
is
8 centimeter,
identical.
BC will
Yeah.
be 3 centimeter, right?
yeah.
Just read the question in that. Do you have textbook with you right
rectangle
now?
A, B,
Yeah.
C,
Yeah.
D
Yeah.
is
Yeah. Yeah.
congruent to
Yeah.
the rectangle E, G, and F.
Is there any other
Yes.
questions with this?
Ma'am, EF is 8 cm, right? 8 cm centimeter.
Yeah, EF is 8
Yeah,
centimeter.
ma'am. Write down the length of the side
Oh,
E
it
and
has
F.
questions. Write
Yeah.
down
Length
the
down. Write
size.
down the length of the side E and F.
Ma'am, I can't
Okay,
understand, ma'am,
length of the
anything.
side
Write down the
EF and
length of EF and FG. The first one is EF and the second one is FG.
so EF was 8 centimeter and FG is 3 centimeter, right?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Saranraj said he didn't understand.
What's Ravan?
He said he didn't understand.
Did you understand what's Ravan? Shravan, I'm asking you,
Saranraj?
what did you, didn't you understand? Hmm?
He didn't put on his headphone and he is telling, Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I don't know what's wrong with him. Every time he used to have one more other problems. Shravan, do you
I
have your mother with you? I'm just going to call your mother, okay? Look at this, children. So, what is the answer? Question of 4. Question 4. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF.
Write
Can
down
you
the
just say
length
the question in
of
that?
the
What is the question?
write down the length of the side A and B and C and D
It's
and F.
not A and B. AB and BC, right?
Yeah, A, B and B, C and D, F.
AB and BC.
And
AB
D,
and
F.
BC.
And D,
And
F.
DF. Okay.
DF and
So,
EF.
DF was 13 centimeter. What is BC?
B, C is
Ma'am,
35.
the question is write down the length of the side AB.
Yeah, AB, BC and DF,
AB is
no?
5 centimeter.
AB is 5 centimeter. BC is
BC
BC
is
is 12
12.
centimeter and
12
DF is
centimeter. And
13 centimeter.
yeah, it's very easy questions, no? Just want to look at this.
Yeah.
These two triangles are congruent. So
Ma'am, there
what's
are
the
more questions.
okay, but we are doing only the important questions.
Okay.
Look at this. So here, yeah, here, look at this. What is the question? Can you say which all are missing here? Which all are the
these two
questions?
triangles are
Write
Write
down
down the
the
length of the side UW,
U
XZ,
W
and
X
YZ.
Z Y Z. Write down the size of
UW, YZ,
And XYZ and XZ. XZ.
XZ. Okay. So UW is
UW
what?
is 3.1 centimeter.
Very good. UW is 3.1 centimeters. Put in a different manner, okay? So UW is 3.1 centimeter. What about XZ?
6.5.
6.5. And what about why is it
7.8.
7.8? Yeah.
Is UW is 3.1.
Yeah, UW is 3 point.
And exit is
XZ is 6.5 and
Ma'am, so if ma'am,
YZ
if
is
it's like ma'am, if it's like
YZ
in
is
this textbook, there's a question. Write down the size of ankle UVW. So we just have to add 6.5 and 7.8, right?
angle UV and W. No, right? No, dear. So here you have to make it in a format like uh, what? I didn't get you the
Or
question.
95, 62, and
Yeah,
23.
yeah, 95, 60. This will be 62 and this
ma'am,
will be 23.
YZ is 7.8 no.
YZ is, yeah,
8.
7.8 centimeter.
Yeah, you don't need to say that. Amra already said it.
No, I asked you.
Okay.
Ma'am, but every triangle's sum is 180, right? So
Yeah, every triangle sum is 180, but the measure of the angles will be different, no?
yeah.
But every equilateral triangle will be congruent to each other. That means every equilateral triangle will be having the angle 60 degree always. Look at this.
Okay.
An equilateral triangle all 60 degree. This means all equilateral triangle must be congruent and as all the angles are the same size, right?
Identify similar and congruent shapes. Find comparative sides and angles of congruent
So
shapes.
children, we are done with this chapter.
Oh.
It's a very easy chapter.
Shapes and symmetry.
Oh, next one is
No, no, no. Yes. So let's move to unit. Let me ask you something. All are clear with everything, no? That was very
Yeah.
easy chapter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt in the chapters?
Ma'am, I only took one note in 8.3.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
3D shapes.
what is 3D? Look at this.
Ma'am, I've
Yeah,
been here
3D.
before and I was so scared.
Its avatar
Ah,
is a 3D picture, right? What does it
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's pretty.
We'll feel it as
The
real,
will is
yeah.
isn't it?
it's
From
Because that
2D to
is not
3D. 3D
bigger
shapes
enough.
help us to model
but
things we see around us in a more better way. Look at this. This is a 2D shape. And if you write it in a different manner, we can make it into 3D. Look at this. Got that. Actually, the avatar film and all is a 2D picture. But when we see with that effect, Sravanraj is calling. One second.
okay.
He's typing something. Okay, yeah. Look
Ma'am,
at
so
this.
these are the
A,
parts in a
a
3D
3D
shape, right?
shape means what actually? It will be having 3 dimensions. Okay? We can say it as a corner, face, and edge. What do you mean by 2D shapes? 2D shape will be having only 2 dimensions, which is a length and a breadth. Okay. But what the difference between 3D shapes and 2D shape means 3D shape will be having 3 dimensions. It will be having a face, an edge, and a corner. Okay? Or
Ma'am,
we can say
2D has a face only.
Corner is a vertex. Vertex. Corner is a vertex.
2D is having length and breadth.
2D
Yeah.
has having. Okay.
Corners are
But
also vertex.
look, 3D shape will be having a face, a corner, and an edge. Okay? Cube,
Face.
when we look up the cube will be having how many faces?
6.
So,
Faces.
two
No, so
face.
it'll have
It is
12
having
edges, right?
In
how
this
many faces?
perspective,
Each
there is two.
corners.
It's 12 edges, right? 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7.
It has least.
What, Amra? What you
So,
said?
if a face is having, it will be if a
These
face
are
is
the
having
faces here.
an
Look at
amount of
this.
number, it is the edge will be double of that, right? Double.
Yeah. Yes. So,
6.
a face will be, a cube has 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12
Has
edges.
12 edges.
Look at this. Edges, how they are making the edge, look at the edges. 12 edges. So, a face will be the half of edges, okay? Faces will be, cube is having 6 faces, 8 corners. Corners means, look at this. These are the corners, okay? 8 corners and how many were edges? 12 edges. Now, when we look at a cuboid
Keyboard.
is having how many faces? 6
Six.
faces.
6 and edges
The
are
same
12.
way, 8 corners. Okay.
8 corner.
Corners are 8.
And also, how many edges?
12 because
12 edges.
edges is always twice the number of.
But in
7 is
some,
calling in.
it's not 12.
7 can't hear anything.
I think it's 7's mom who's calling you. Okay.
Yes, children. So a cuboid will be having 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. Okay?
Okay.
What about a cone? Do you know what is the shape?
Cone has only
Yeah.
one face, right?
It
Oh
will be
yeah, two
having
face.
2 faces, one
Yeah,
flat
the one
face
and
and
the
one
yeah.
curved
And
face.
one corner and one edge. No,
Yeah,
four
one
edge.
corner and one edge.
Oh yeah, that is.
This is not an
2
edge, it is
faces.
a curved face, no? One curved face and one flat face cone has, and only one corner and one edge. Got it.
Yeah.
What about, I'll post this in the classroom, okay? The slide I'll post in the classroom. If you just
Yeah,
want
yeah,
to go
okay.
through the faces and edges and all, you can go through this, okay?
We will look at it.
What about
We
a
will look at it.
cylinder? A cylinder will be having 3 faces. That means 2 flat
Yeah.
faces and 1 curved faces. Actually, I just want to move
Zero
somewhere after this class. Okay, I just need to attend a call again. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So what is this?
Earth.
It's a
It's a
3D
different
Earth.
type of
3D
globe
Earth.
or 3D Earth. 3D
what is
Earth.
its shape?
Circle.
3D map.
Is it a circle?
No, it's not a
3D.
sphere. It's a
What is the
sphere.
shape of a ball?
Oh,
Sphere.
sphere. Sphere.
Sphere. It's a
Sphere.
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 Okay. Now look at this. It's a pyramid. Okay. Can you understand the difference between a pyramid and a cone?
A cone has
One has two
Will
the
be
cone
having
has
a
faces.
curved edges,
two
curved
two
faces.
faces and it has one edge only, but this one has uh,
This one has 5
eight
faces,
edges.
5 corners,
Yeah.
and
So it will be having different faces.
5
One, two, three, four, five.
and
5 faces. How many corners?
5
One, two, three,
corners,
4, and 5 corners.
5 corners,
And how many
edges,
edges? The same. 1, 2, 3, 4,
8, right?
5,
8.
6, 7 edges. No? 8
7,
edges.
8
Okay.
edges.
8
8
8
edges.
edges. A square pyramid. This is actually a square pyramid. That means a base will be a square. There can be a
Ma'am, so
triangular
how many would a
pyramid.
prism have?
Or
Prism.
look, according to the base, the pyramid gets different. It can be a square pyramid, a triangular pyramid. That means the base. If the base is a square, we can call it as a square pyramid. If the base is a triangle, we can call it as a triangular pyramid. Okay. Now, triangular based pyramid is a three-dimensional shape with four flat triangular face edges, six edges and faces, six edges and four vertices. Okay. Yeah. Now look at this a cube. These are the all thing we have discussed right now. A cube, cuboid, cylinder, pyramid, cone, and a sphere.
Ma'am, you'll post this in the classroom, right?
Yeah, I'll post it. Now look
Oh
at
my
this.
god.
A prism. A prism will be a pyramid will be sharpened to the one end. But what is the difference between a prism?
It's like a rectangular pyramid.
Not uh, prism actually. Prism means what? They will be having two end sides. That means if it is a square in the two bases, it will be having two bases. If there is a base in down, the upper part also will be a base. Okay, it will be having two bases, but it can be square. Like as we said in the case of a pyramid, that also can be differentiated by the bases of that. It can be a square, a triangle, okay, a pentagonal prism. You can hear that all, right? Triangular prism, look at this, two triangles will be there, and all other sides will be a rectangle. But what is the what specialty of a pyramid? Only the base will be having different side. All the sides will be of triangle. Okay. Look at this. In a pyramid, all the sides will be triangle, but all the in the prism, all the sides will be of a rectangle. Look at this. This all are a rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. When we open it, when we look at the nets of a triangular prism, only the two ends are the two bases
The
are
bases
triangle.
are only
All the
triangular.
others are rectangle. Okay, now look at the triangular prism. Rectangular prism, square prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, and octagonal prism. Here only the bases are getting different. All the other sides are rectangles. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, prism shapes. Triangular prism, it is having five faces, two triangular and three rectangular, nine edges and six vertices. Okay, five faces. It can be two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. In a rectangular prism, it has having six faces, which is two rectangular faces and all are rectangular. In a rectangular prism, everything is a rectangular faces. 12 edges and 8 vertices. In a squared pyramid shapes, squared prism, 6 faces, 2 square and 4 rectangular, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay. And a pentagonal prism, 7 faces. It will be having 7 faces, 2 pentagonal faces and 5 rectangular faces. It is having 15 edges and 10 vertices. Okay. What do you feel?
This is what is
Confused.
Now, not of getting confused, children. Just look at the shapes. Hexagonal shape means it will be having six sides, right? Okay. So it will be having two hexagonal faces and six rectangular faces. According to their sides, it gets different. Rectangle is having four sides, right? So four plus two faces will be like the number of their sides plus two. That are the faces. Hexagon is having six
And
sides
so if it's
plus
like
two.
if it's like a pentagon, it will have five and the base. 2, so it
Yeah.
will be 7.
5 sides and the 2 bases. That means it will be having 7 faces. Okay.
Ma'am, Rafan said something in the chat.
Last 2 minute question. What?
He said we have your last question, right?
You want a question? Okay, then let's discuss this all questions tomorrow. We already took one chapter and we almost completed half part of the other chapter today. You're so
Yeah.
fast. So tomorrow we'll be completing this chapter and we have one more chapter to take. Only the first part of that chapter we'll be taking. Okay, we'll
Eight,
be ending the
eight
class with 2 classes. That means Friday I'll be
yeah.
taking and also be taking which day tomorrow. Tomorrow I
Tomorrow.
already have an hour, and Friday I'll take Varda ma'am's hour. Okay. Okay then. Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
Rafan, you can ask the question.
You're mute.
Rafan, please. We cannot hear you.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
I need to present it.
Come on.
Ma'am, he's asking you to present it.
Oh, he said if you can present. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Slides. Everyone can ask one question if you need.
Are you ready with any question? Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Then you can ask.
Okay. Okay. The rules, you know.
Okay, if anyone get it. There's a point, but
Just
there's a clause.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
can
Where
you
is Himalaya
uh,
located?
slideshow?
India.
200 multiplied
Yeah.
by 10 is
Where is
equal to 2000.
India.
Himachal Pradesh.
India.
Himachal Pradesh.
2000.
wait,
Himachal Pradesh.
wait.
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh.
200 multiplied by 10.
2000. Why are the animals
Multiplied
using
by
2000 because they want to keep themselves safe, so
why are the
they get
animals
rid of us.
use venom?
Actually, that's related to science. I
Oh,
No,
don't
you
know that
can't even
subject.
spell why. You can't even spell why.
I no. I was just incorrectly writing. I was just fastly
it's
typing.
WHY.
I know they use venom to get rid of us so they can keep themselves safe.
Yeah, that is the
Because
correct. I
we
was
know that they have venom.
yeah.
So,
Some of
Actually,
them
venom
is the
means
Self-defense.
yeah, it's a
uh,
self-defense
like
weapon.
a
Yeah.
like a teddy
Yeah.
bear will be having a big fur like that. That thing.
Yeah.
No, ma'am,
The
Uh,
venom, the
they
poison,
use
the
it in
poison.
habitat, no?
Yes.
Why animals use poison? Venom, there's in snakes, right? Like that.
Yeah.
yeah,
Why animals use venom?
for the self
Because
defense.
for self-defense.
What
what
is the
is
purpose of that?
200
That's what. Yeah.
multiplied? What is
Okay,
200
okay.
multiplied by 10
2000.
Oh,
equals
that is a very easy question, no, Rafal?
2000.
2000.
Yeah,
2000.
Yeah.
2000?
Anyways, he is doing something very good. Good job there. You can carry on. If anybody others are interested, they can also do. So we can get some knowledge, no?
yeah,
Okay.
Last five
yeah.
minutes we can keep for this.
Look this. Efficient hunting venom helps protect us. I just put the under
Ah,
the
okay. Predators quickly subdue and kill
yeah.
prey, make it easier to catch and consume. For example, snakes like cobras,
Yeah.
predators. Okay,
Um,
very good, dear,
Yeah.
very good. Okay, then you can stop sharing. I'm also
Okay.
so fed up of taking class today. I got 5 classes today.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
then
Can anyone ask one question?
Ma'am,
no
in the
questions.
last class, ma'am, in the last science class, I asked them, I was talking about hello day, and I asked them to say a hello in different language to
Yeah, I did.
teachers, and they did not, I'm so disappointed in that. Like,
No.
I
We
made
did.
them learn new languages, but they didn't.
Oh, is it?
Ma'am, I didn't get anyone, ma'am.
I literally showed you a video on how to say hello in a different
Show
language.
the video first.
Konchiwa. I don't know what
Ma'am,
is
I
it.
did it in the last class, the last
Hola.
science class, but they didn't know.
Okay. So,
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Yeah.
okay then. Okay then. Bye bye. Have a great day. Let's see you tomorrow. And
Bye,
yeah,
ma'am.
Bye,
Yeah.
bye
Bye,
bye.
bye.
ma'am.
See you all. Thank you. Bye bye.
Again and again
Bye.
with his